What's going on, everyone? Welcome to this video. It is officially holiday season. We are right around the corner of Thanksgiving, at least here in the US. And we're already getting holiday themed treats. My favorite holiday themed treat that I have to have every year is the peppermint bark chocolate from Ghirardelli. Oh, my favorite. I haven't had it this year yet because I kind of feel like I have to wait until after Thanksgiving, you know, to go full on like Christmas mode, but you know, it's my favorite and it's out. But today, we're going full on sugar mode. So I have two things I want to try. I have sugar cookie toast crunch. Apparently this has been out before in 2015 and then again last year, but I didn't know it was a thing. I haven't tried it, but it came back out, so I was like, we're gonna try this. And then my girlfriend's mom was actually like, hey guys, there's sugar cookie milk at Target. And I was like, let's just dive into sugar right now. So I thought I'd do a fun little taste test video for you guys. We're gonna try the cereal alone, then in just normal milk, then we'll try the sugar cookie milk on its own, and then we're gonna try them both, sugar cookie cereal and sugar cookie milk. So let's get started. We're gonna open this box. Oh yes, oh I got a Snapchat, and they have a fun back. I feel like cereal boxes aren't fun on the back anymore, but this has a fun one. So guess what, I don't have to stare at my phone. I can, while I eat breakfast, I can stare at this box and have some fun. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, nice. Okay. One of the best parts is smelling it. You know what it reminds me of? What is it? I can picture it, but I can't think of what it. It's those cookies that come in like those holiday tin things. I don't know what they're called, but chill. Okay, we're gonna try one of these just plain first. Tastes like a sugar cookie without frosting. Now, we're gonna do just a little bit. I'm gonna do a whole lot. And we're gonna do just normal milk, unsweetened almond milk. Okay. And I have a festive spoon. It's actually an Alvin and the Chipmunks spoon. But he's wearing a Christmas hat and it's red, so it's festive. Okay, now to try this with just milk. It's good. It almost, with the milk, it almost makes me think it's kind of a diluted Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But it's good. Okay, you know what I didn't get was a cup, so I can try this plain. The puppy wants to play. I need a cup. Cup. Okay, we're gonna use a mug because Christmas. Pull. Ooh. We did it. Okay, does this have a smell? It does, and it kind of smells gross. Well, it's like a mixture. As I was saying, it's like a mixture of sweet and like what the smell of Target smells like. Like, you know how Target has a smell? Or like every store has a smell? Am I weird? Anyway, let's try this. Just gonna try a little bit of the milk by itself. Wow, that's sweet. Oh. Woo. That is like liquid sugar. It's good, but man, you can only have a little bit at a time. That's why they come in these little cartons. Wow. Okay, now let's combine the sugar, because sugar! Okay, so let's get a little more of this. Okay. And then pour a little bit of this. For the ultimate sugar! Well, the ultimate sugar would be to pour sugar on top of this, but like, we're not that crazy. Are we? That is amazing. Like, I know this is sugar cookie and this is sugar cookie, but like the cereal almost tones down the milk so it's not as sweet, but like it's a different kind of... Guys, do yourself a favor, go get sugar cookie cereal, sugar cookie milk, and put them together. Holy crap! Well, this right here, very close second to the Peppermint Bark chocolate as my favorite holiday edition treat thing. I'm dreaming of a sweet Christmas. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Let me know if you tried either of these. If not, are you interested? I saw the cereal, I think on Snapchat. I get a lot of these random ads and I'm like, dang it, now I gotta go try it. And then I do. And then this one, like I said, my girlfriend's mom texted us and was like, hey, you guys should try this. So I went out and it's only at Target. It is a market pantry product, so you can only find this at Target, just so you're aware. Anyways guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you all for watching. If you liked it, you can hit that like button. It's always appreciated. If you're new here, you can press that subscribe button down below. And that's gonna do it. As Waylon's saying, goodbye!